The rear fog light on your Kia Sportage is built into the lower part of the rear bumper, and its job is to make your vehicle more visible to drivers behind you in poor weather conditions, like heavy rain or fog. If the bulb burns out, you will notice that the fog light indicator on your dashboard may still come on, but the rear fog light itself won't illuminate. At first glance, you might assume replacing this bulb means removing the entire rear bumper, but that's not the case. You can access and replace the rear fog light bulb from under the vehicle. No bumper removal, no complicated disassembly. First, make sure the vehicle is parked on a flat surface, the engine is turned off, and the parking brake is engaged. One important safety note: the muffler is located right next to this area. If the car has been running, the muffler can become extremely hot. Touching it accidentally while working underneath can cause serious burns. Always let the exhaust system cool down completely before sliding under the vehicle. Once the vehicle is safe to work on and the muffler has cooled, slide underneath near the rear wheel. You will see a plastic splash panel covering the underside of the bumper in the area where the fog light is located. This panel protects the bulb housing and the wiring from dirt and moisture. The panel is held in place with two plastic clips. Use a flathead screwdriver or a clip removal tool to remove the clips. You do not need to take the whole panel off. Just bend back the bottom part slightly to create enough space to reach inside. With the splash panel bent back, look inside and you will see the round plastic bulb holder that secures the rear fog light bulb in place. It sits directly in the back of the fog light housing. Reach in with one hand, grip the bulb holder firmly, and rotate it counterclockwise. It may feel a little stiff at first, but keep turning until it unlocks. Once it's loose, carefully pull the bulb holder straight out of the housing. Be mindful of the wires connected to the bulb holder. Now you will see the fog light bulb sitting in the holder. To remove it, press down slightly, then rotate the bulb counterclockwise until it releases from the socket. Since this is an incandescent bulb, it's best to wear gloves while handling it. Oils from your skin can transfer onto the glass and cause hot spots, which may shorten the life of the bulb. The part number for this bulb is PR21W. It's a 12-volt, 21-watt incandescent bulb. Now take your new bulb and line up the metal pins on the bulb with the slots in the socket. Push it gently into place, then rotate it clockwise until it locks into place. Next, reconnect the bulb holder to the fog light housing. Carefully guide it back into the opening in the bumper, making sure the bulb and wiring are not pinched or twisted. Once the holder is in position, rotate it clockwise until it locks into place. At this point, the bulb should be flush and secure inside the housing. Before closing everything up, it's a good idea to test the new bulb. Start the vehicle, switch on the rear fog light, and check that it illuminates brightly. If it's working, you can move on to the final step. Reposition the splash panel you bent back earlier, align the holes, and reinsert the two plastic clips. Push the center pins back down to lock them in place. This seals the panel and keeps dirt and water away from the bulb housing. And that's how you replace the rear fog light bulb in a 4th generation Kia Sportage. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Weezone for more DIY car repair guides. Thanks for watching.